Today I will show you how to branch from the master branch on GitHub. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Once that's done, I want you to go to the far right of the screen where you see the icon that displays your display image. You click on that and then you go to repositories. Now on the repositories, we're going to look for the repository of which we want to branch from its master branch. So we're going to click on the repository. Now it's very important that you also note that of recent GitHub has changed the main branch, as in the default branch on their repositories, from master to main. So this is the same thing. Usually you would see master here, but they've updated it to main now. So we're gonna assume that this is the master branch then, because it is. To branch from this branch or any branch of that sort, you're going to make sure that you're on the branch itself. So you see here we're on the main branch. You're going to make sure you're on the main branch, or if it's an older repository, it's going to have master branch, so you're going to make sure you're on the master branch. And once you click on it, you're going to click on this arrow that's next to it for a drop down, and here you're going to write a branch. And just as you see right here, it says create branch, new branch from main. So if this was a master branch, it will be from master, and then you click on it, and just like that, you've been able to branch from the main branch or the master branch. Now that's how you branch from the master branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.